Hey everyone, Drew on the Go here, coming to you today from St. Augustine, Florida. This is my first time visiting St. Augustine, and today we're going to skip around on the Old Town Trolley, check out the sights, maybe grab some lunch, and end up at Castillo de San Marcos. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. I started the journey to St. Augustine early in the morning, and it's about a 2-hour drive from Orlando. Today I have booked a trolley tour to get around, and I purchased a package which cost around $35 a person, which gave me access to these venues listed below. You get the old jail, the oldest store museum experience, and the St. Augustine History Museum. So I've checked in and I got this sticker. So it's time to take the ride around St. Augustine. My ticket included a 1 day of unlimited reboarding with hop-on and off options at all 22 trolley stops. The ride is also fully narrated, so you can learn about the sights as you're passing. Now, pricing does change based on the time of day that you do visit, so you may want to check online before you visit. All right, looks like I'm going to get off here and check out some of the shops and grab some lunch. Let's go check it out. I wanted to check out this place called the Juke Joint, but since it was around lunchtime when I was visiting, it was closed. And check out what's inside this box Nintendo Entertainment System. Well, speaking of lunch, it's time to grab a quick bite. Now nice and full, it's time to hop back on the trolley and make our way towards Castillo de San Marcos. Here are some of the sights that I saw during my ride.
And the Baptist came to him. He said, Mr. Flagler, you built the Methodist church. And earlier I talked about the Olivet Methodist Church, where it's located. Here on my right, where Green Fountain is. I'll show it to you. It's later named the Basilica by the Pope, due to its historical significance. It's a Basilica Minor. It's a beautiful church. They give tours of this church. Ships would come with little soldiers. They took to the city, surrounded the fort. For 50 days they fired cannonballs, but when he left, he had a wall. And St. Augustine Harbor again. Another one of the surprise stores.
Okay, we've arrived. Here we go. Castillo de San Marcos. This is the oldest masonry fort in the continental United States. All right, looks awesome. Here's a little bit of the pricing. Entrance fee is $15. Children are free if they're under 15. And there's also an annual lifetime pass. You get 4 adults, children ages 15 and under are free. You also have senior discounts, military discounts, or military is free, which is great. All right. Well, let's go in. Let's check it out.
Yo vine con amigas del colegio.
This is crazy.
Up here is the ticket booth where you'll purchase tickets. We didn't find any options to purchase in advance. Let's head inside. This is the oldest masonry fort in the continental United States. Built by the Spanish, it protected the settlement from pirates and other nations' attacks. This fort dates back to the 17th century and was built using a unique limestone composed of broken shells that effectively absorb cannon fire.
What I have you do, hold this up in your right hand, and you repeat after me.
Shell heads.
Let's head to the top and take in some views.
What it was, St. Augustine, back in those days, there was no Jacksonville. There was down there.
Hold on 1 second.
Don't go. I go up 3 floors. I'll be.
And that's a wrap on this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.